Diba? We're having our meeting man every month or every 2 months. So, ang ako i-share ninyo is kabay kung unsa to'y meeting na mo pag teachers meeting o kung sa'y mga kanang mga observation na mo through the entire month sa study room. What else? Students' attitude, behavior, especially the attendance. And mga ganap, mga event nga nahitabo, like especially atong event yesterday or monthly donation o sa next ka monthly donation. So that will be our agenda for so again, kung naganiwari nga ka ng sponsor, nila na itong kapapuko ng mga anak. Ato dito ka na sponsor, anak gani? Ayaw lang, dili lang kay. We are not allowed to gather students kung naiwari ng sponsor. So, this meeting for May has been sponsored by Mayong Buntag Nim. So, Mayong Buntag Nim gives us 1,000 for the snack. And here's, we will gonna buy 500 worth of banana and 500 worth of gulaman. So, that is from Mayong Buntag Nim.
Mayong Buntag Nim, kamsamida.
Samida. Insa tatanan. Okay, 1, 2. Mayong Buntag Nim, kamsamida.
Mayong Buntag Nim, kamsamida. Saging?
So, the gulaman and the saging. Banana.
Kaya wala pa? Meron ba? Dito po sa boss bangus.
So, parents, thank you so much for coming to our parents meeting for the month of May. So, I really appreciate your cooperation in coming on our meeting. Napay saging diri ko ako. Napay saging. Oh, gulaman.
Lamat mo, kali ko kulit ng pila mo, 30 na na mo rin. 30 na yung bata, ilapag din. Ay, nangangal pa mi, ay. Rado. Ay, kaya mga mga. Hoy, asaw mo, hindi nakatag na naman. Ulis ako, Bingbe.
Annyeonghaseyo, Aaron. So, Aaron is one of my regular na makano? Regular student. So, Aaron's case for this month, he already have like 6 excuses because you have reasons for those absences and you have like 4 absences for this month. So, unsa kay tay reason nimo kung ano absent ka kay? Oh, your father is not allowing you to enter the study room or to join the study room. So, what to do, man? Unya, kung you will go to Suong with your father niya, how about your class in study room niya? You already have 4 absences. Diba, we already talked about it, man. Yeah. We also talked about it with your grandmother. Then your grandmother told me na you still want to study in study room. However, there are times na your father won't allow you. So I'm also worried on what to do because your attendance in study room has been has been conflict with your whereabouts with your father. So, unsaon man ni nato? Do you still want to study in study room? Can you still make it? Okay, so for this video, I will gonna send it to Sir Vicky, and Sir Vicky will gonna decide if he will allow you to study in the study room. But if we will gonna, if ever just in case, if ever we will gonna give you another chance, so you have to make it up on your attendance. So you will not do this kind of scenario of your attendance next time. So discuss it with your father on what to do with your mother and your grandmother. Ha? So I will let you know what's the update. Okay? So thank you, Aaron. Kamsahamnida.